What's the best skincare products of 2021? In this video, I'm going to share a few with you that was part of the blog post that I put out this week. It's an article in Marie Claire, and it was amazing. Some of these products I've used in the past, but others I have not. And no surprise that on the list was Estee Lauder's Night Repair. And if you guys have never used it, it's what put Estee Lauder on the map. They're an American company. I highly suggest that you try the Estee Lauder Night Repair. Of course, you put it on a part of your nighttime skincare routine, and it has a little squeezable dropper that will dispense exactly the right amount of serum. You dab it on the 5 points on your face and work upward and outward in a circular motion and leave it on. It does not rinse off, but it's to help with the diminishing of wrinkles, to help with hydration, and it's oil-free and fragrance-free. I have kind of sensitive skin, so I can't use a lot of the serums out there, but this one is wonderful. And so you guys be sure to check out the blog post at kimsbeautybiz.com for more amazing skincare products of 2021. And just another thing that this really wasn't on the list, but my best skincare product that I've tried so far new is L'Oreal's Revitalift. Now, Lancome is a L'Oreal company, so I know that anything I'm going to try from L'Oreal is going to be an excellent product. But I like Eva Longoria, even since the Desperate Housewife days. So I thought, she's on the commercial. She's saying it's got triple action, which is the vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. That's hard to say. And the peptides that are so important in most of our skincare. And I have used this for about 2 weeks. And as you can see, I've used enough to give a good product review. And it's supposed to tell the diminution of wrinkles and retained moisture in a week. Okay, so I've used it for 2, and I can definitely tell you, as far as a product review, that I have forehead lines, and they are so much less noticeable after 2 weeks. And I also can notice the lines around my mouth are less noticeable since I've been using the L'Oreal Revitalift. And so I highly recommend that you try both of these. And this one is so good, it actually made Marie Claire's 20 best skincare products of 2021. So you guys go to kimsbeautybiz.com and check out the blog post. You've got to see there are 20, some that you've never heard of and others that you have, but I'm going to showcase just the ones that are readily available and affordable that we can get right now. So go to kimsbeautybiz.com and check out the blog post. You guys have a wonderful day, and as always, much love.